Hello beautiful people, this is your girl Zarina. Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to Zarina Beauty Home. Okay, make we come together. Make I show you how to.
Today we'll be talking about bleached skin, and this topic is going to take about 3 sections. Where the first section is going to be about it's going to be an overview of what causes us to have bleached skin, how we can salvage this situation, things that we need to look out for when our skin is on the verge of breaking completely. The second section is going to be about soap making. I'll be sharing with you things I need to put together, some natural based powders and ingredients that you need to put together to actually make your soap. And the third section is going to be about cream making. So having said that, your knowledge on things or factors that lead us to have a damaged skin. There are several factors, but I'm narrowing it down to just 2 basic factors based on my self-experience and people around me. And number one factor is using industrial-based ingredients, to lighten up your skin. One of the factors are 1, using industrial-based creams formulated with some harsh chemicals to lighten up your skin. And the second factor has to do with wrong application of these industrial creams. I can't discuss this topic without sharing with you things that you need to look out for when you're purchasing your skincare products, because it's only then you can know exactly what you're going for and how to use them. On the screen, I'll be sharing with you things that you need to look out for in your cream, or you need to look out for when you're purchasing your cream. Get a pen and paper or screenshot what I'm about to share with you now. Now, haven't gone through all these ingredients or see the family names or what they are being called. You should look out for all this because they're super bleaching ingredients. They are very potent when we talk about skin lightening or skin bleaching industrial products. So if you have all this composition, or you have few of these things in your cream, then you should know you shouldn't make that cream a routine, like a continual routine, something you have to use every other day. I don't know why people lighten up their skin or bleach their skin to the point that they damage their skin. Maybe because you don't know, but if you're on the journey of lightening up your skin, I just feel this video will be very helpful for you. And if you already have a damaged skin, well, the good news is you watching this video to the end and looking up to my next videos to know exactly how to go with your skin. Now, this brings us to the second factor, which is wrong application. If you purchase a cream that has components like mercury, hydrogen peroxide, detergents, hydroquinone, girl, you need to use it for a very short period of time. Hydroquinone based cream, for instance, will give you that flawless look. We even take care of some skin issues. If you're having melasma or you're having hyperpigmentation, that will correct it, and you just feel your skin is glowing and you're looking nice. But then if you continue to use this product, the end result is disastrous. So I urge every one of you who is going into lightening process, if you do not know, get informed, get a dermatologist to guide you, or a skin therapist to put you through, or someone who already knows what he or she is doing in this skincare industry, because information is key. If you do not know, then you damage your skin. It's more expensive to treat a damaged skin than you glowing your skin. And that's why I say to people that skin lightening is expensive. Not the product per se, but the time you create for it. Because I believe time is money. So you need to create time, to make out a routine that will work for you. Using industrial-based cream, I never said it's wrong, but the application is what matters. if you apply it wrongly, then you get a negative outcome. So having said that, this brings us to other things that you need to look out for when your skin is on the verge of breaking completely. For the face, for instance, I will give you an insight of what happens to your face when you've gone overboard with your face, when you've excessively bleached your face and it's, you know, just crying for help, or, you know, resisting everything that comes, you know, in contact with you. This part of our face here has the thinnest, you know, is the thinnest part of of the face. Over here, if you over bleached your skin, or you've used products that has mercury and steroids, for instance, to lighten up your skin or to treat a particular skin issue, and you continue to use such a product, here turns red at every slight muscular move that goes on the face. Even you get hurt if you bend down to lace your shoes, for instance. Sometimes if you laugh out loud or you shout, you feel this burn in this region. At this point, you know your skin is crying for help. If you continue to use that product, it will, you know, end up destroying you completely. So at this point, you should know your skin is crying for help. Just stop whatever it is you're using. That's for the face. And if you start to have crusting on your skin, start to have cracks in your skin, you need to stop the usage of whatever it is you're using in your skin. Any bleaching ingredients or any bleaching cream that you're using need to stop at that moment. Some people, you tend to have dermatitis, a situation whereby everything that comes in contact with your skin irritates you. Your necklace tends to itch you. Even your nightwears, after having your bath and you want to relax, you just feel some stings or some itching going around your body. And if you look, you're wearing a clean nightwear, your bed sheets are clean, but you just feel there's something stinging your body. At that point, you know you've gone overboard with your skin. Just stop whatever it is you're using and try to go as organic as possible. Please guys, these are a few of the things you need to look out for when your skin is on that breach of breaking completely, and you need to salvage it. You need to stop the usage of any bleaching product that you're using at that particular point in time. I find it so disheartening when I see people who have damaged skin. Then I'm like, do you really have a mirror at home? How did you get here? Don't you ever use a product because you purchase it at a very, you know, expensive rate, and you just feel your body needs to consume it whether it likes it or not. I don't know who does that. I don't know why people do it. If you're reacting negatively to a particular product, you need to stop. If you do not know, seek advice. Look for a skin therapist. Look for someone who knows what he or she is doing in the industry to help you out. Please guys, do not use lightening product or bleaching product to the extent that it has to, you know, damage your skin completely. It is more expensive to treat a bleached skin. So, and this takes us to the oils that you need to put together to actually rejuvenate your skin and give it that glow. This oil will lighten you a little bit. You know, I won't say lighten, but glow you. Because I don't see the reason why you should be interested in lightening up your skin when you're trying to treat a skin that is damaged. I'm sharing with you oils that you need to put together to, you know, help moisturize your skin and, you know, treat it tropically. And these oils are: one, mustard oil. You will need about 60 ml of mustard oil. It's very rich in vitamin E, and this will, you know, help treat the free radicals on your body or on your skin. And the second oil is turmeric oil. You'll be needing about 20 ml of turmeric oil. You'll be needing about 5 ml of frankincense oil, which will help, you know, treat the scars on the skin. You'll be needing 30 ml of rose hip oil, and you'll be needing also 30 ml of tissue oil. You need to put all these oils together, mix them, shake them very well, and put them in your container. when you finish having your bath, you come out from the shower while your body is a little bit damp, you moisturize this oil into your skin, make sure it absorbs it, and this will help treat your skin, but it's a gradual process. You should know when you have a damaged skin, you should spend more time treating it. You also know that when you're treating a bleached skin, you should avoid the sun completely, and you need to also treat your skin from the inside. You need to eat healthy food, eat a lot of fruits, detox yourself, drink a lot of fluid. And when I mean fluid, I don't mean drinking coffee or drinking sodas or what have you. Drink a lot of water, freshly squeezed juice made in the comfort of your kitchen. Please guys, getting a glow or a nice look has to do with you bringing it from the inside. Tropical treatments alone doesn't really go help a lot. You need to also feed well for the cream to actually work effectively. Having said that, my next video I'll be sharing with you things that you need to put together to make your soap treating bleached skin. If you've been watching this video up till now and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell beside it, and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you find it interesting, share my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for my new subscribers. See you some other time. Bye bye guys, I love you.